Alright everyone, here we are with another video with Invest for Tomorrow. To all the first time viewers and investors, welcome to the channel. To all the subscribers, welcome back. All I ask for in return is for you to smash that like button to let me know you watch this video, and to stay tuned on in towards the second half of this video, guys. Right after this chart analysis, I have a ticker symbol to share with you guys, as well as the opportunities that were found this morning. I managed to find 3 home run possibilities hitting 20% plus at their highest points today. And if that's something that interests you and you want to become part of, you're more than welcome to join us. The link is down below in the description to the Discord, and by joining, you'll become part of a growing community of investors, all looking to learn and grow together to maximize profits and minimize losses. Now, here we are with WISH Stock, ContextLogic Inc WISH Stock, and this stock is having trouble breaking through the $14 range and hitting newer highs. Now, I made a video a little bit earlier that I actually talked about it when it was in bearish territory and needed to break through the 50-day moving average, and it just did it, and it still needs to break through 14.27 and the highs here of 14.41, and then back up here to $15, right? $15 is key for this to significantly keep on pushing up. Now, I've talked about this in my previous videos, that the consolidations and strengths are there. So what I'm looking for is, will it continue to consolidate before the next catalyst to reach newer highs and consolidate again? Because it all started way back here at that $9 mark after the run from 7 all the way up to 16 and back down. And from this point forward, it's been moving upwards. Now, through all the volatility, it's had its ups and downs, but it's moving to the upside. It does have some strength, but it has been in tug-of-war zone a few times, right? And here we are in tug-of-war zone. The question is, could this run up tomorrow as puts and call options and stuff like that expire, and maybe it gives a room for it to run? Or is this going to run into next week, or it's actually going to start to pull back into further weakness if rejections keep on happening within this area, right? $14 to $15, even up to $16. If the stock just gets rejected from there, will it actually start a downward trend? Because it's been having trouble getting up there, and once it gets there, we have to see how it reacts, because it does have to break through it and keep pushing towards the 20s and even higher to reach newer highs, new resistance levels, and really show that the bulls have had strength throughout all the volatility to keep pushing up, and making shorts have to cover. Remember, shorts have to cover when stocks go up, not when they sit sideways or possibly have to start going lower. But WISH has been pushing this one up with a little bit of strength. Now, the other favorite stock on Reddit forums, apart from WISH, which is highly traded as well, WISH is number 2 on today's list, and Clover Health is literally in the top 5, and that is CLOV, CLOV. This is the other favorite of Reddit. It's been pushing upwards, but very subtly. But then again, now it's in tug-of-war zone. I talked about in my previous video here how 1351 is key, the 50-day moving average. If they both get broken through, I would watch down here at 1313, and I would even go down as far as 11, and even this low down here of 1250 to see what's going on within that dissection of the chart, if the bulls try to reappear and bring it back up, or if the bears continue to tear this down. Now, the highest point reached in this slight upward trend after hitting these lows down here of 1122 is right here at 1525. The bulls do need to break through that to pull significantly away from the 50-day moving average and reach newer highs and new resistance levels. I look forward to seeing your thoughts on these two down below. How do you feel about them? Who do you think is the next real gamma squeeze or short squeeze? Because a lot of investors in many different Reddit forums and different articles are stating that this could be the next GameStop or AMC. Will they be, or are they just hype and speculation? I look forward to your thoughts down below. If you learned something new, don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell so you don't miss a single video that I post. Share this with a friend so they can receive the insight as well. And all I ask for is 3 to 5 more minutes of your time. I have a ticker symbol to share with you guys, as well as the opportunities I found this morning. Managed to find 3 home run opportunities, giving 20% plus possibilities at their highs. And if that's something you want to become part of, and you want to know what stocks I watch daily, you are more than welcome to join us. The link is down below in the description to the Discord. Stay tuned. So the ticker symbol I have to share with you guys today is one that I mentioned over at the Patreon this weekend, and it actually pulled back to its most recent lows, and since those lows, it's jumped up 20% plus this week alone. Now, before we look at the chart, it seems to be in a possibility of consolidating or a slight healthy pullback. So before we look at everything, I want to share with you guys the ticker symbols I mentioned this morning over at the Discord, shared it with the members, and if that's something that interests you and you want to become part of, you're more than welcome to join us. The link is down below in the description to the Discord, and by joining, you'll become part of a growing community of investors, all looking to learn and grow together to maximize profits and minimize losses. Now, here we are with ARAV. This was the first one mentioned. We caught it at 690. This one pulled back and gave small spikes of 3 to 5%. PIRS, we caught it at 362. This gave a home run opportunity. GTT, caught it at 297. This gave a home run opportunity after dipping to the 260s and jumping back up to $3 plus, giving a 20% plus opportunity. And MRIN caught this one at 301, giving us a home run opportunity as well, really early on in the trading day. So let's go ahead and look at these two stocks that gave us home runs. And GTT was the only one that took the longest because it actually had a big pullback for a few hours and spiked back up the few hours later of the trading day, giving a 20% plus opportunity. So MRIN, mentioned it at 301, pulled back down and spiked up, giving a highest point of 20% plus, guys. That was phenomenal. Happened in just 15 minutes of the trading day after the bell. Now, our other home run was PIRS. Caught this one at 362. We caught it at the lowest point in the pre-market pullback and the lowest point of the day. This was a very subtle upward trend, but it kept pushing. It did not stop, giving a highest point of 25% plus on the day. Phenomenal, phenomenal results. Now, the ticker symbol I'm about to share with you guys is VIPS, but before we look at it, I want to show you guys GTT's performance, how it pulled back the first few hours of the day, hit the 260s, and has jumped up close to the 320s, giving a 20% plus opportunity as well. We found 3 home run opportunities today. Phenomenal for a Thursday. So the ticker symbol you want to add to your watch list is VIPS, and this is a stock I mentioned this weekend, and I talked about it, gave a little overview. So you can also receive access to my weekly watch list by joining the Discord. And this is where the stock was at. It was at the $18 mark, almost 19. And this is what analysis ratings are saying, right? The lowest one is $24. So there's a 5 buy rating, 2 hold, and 0 sell. And when I look at it, I mean, the opportunity is there. And the charts were showing opportunity to begin with. And it had pulled back from that level of $18 and some change all the way down to $17 on the 21st. It consolidated within the $17 range, having small spikes back and forth, and it took off starting yesterday, right, Wednesday, to highs here of $18 and some change, pulled back down to the 17s, and has taken off today to 1970s, giving a highest point of 1979. Now, this stock currently, the way I'm looking at it, it has given 20% plus on the week so far. When you zoom out, there's a lot of potential here. Analysis ratings are pointing this one upside. But one of the things I'm looking for right now is either a healthy pullback before the next run, right? Before the next catalyst, because of this big run that already happened, or consolidation showing strength to build up for the next catalyst to take this to newer levels, newer highs, and new resistance levels. Because this was consolidation here, small consolidation here after a pullback, and it ran. So what I'm looking for is consolidation of strength again, or a healthy pullback because of a big run that just happened before it takes off again to newer highs and new resistance levels. So Analysis ratings are pointing this one to the upside. This stock seems to have hit a bottom at $17 for now. We have to see if it continues to be the bottom or retest it or breaks through it in the near future. But right now, this stock is performing with strength, and it's definitely one to have on your watch list, regardless of what happens if consolidation or slight pullback happens in a healthy manner, making the opportunities even bigger. Any of the stocks I mentioned are not financial advice. I'm not here to tell you to buy, sell, or hold any positions on any of the stocks I talk about. I'm just here to align you guys on the opportunities I'm watching and why I'm watching them. If you want to receive live updates of my weekly watch list and daily watch list, the link is down below to the Discord, and we look forward to having you join us. Thank you guys so much for watching, and let's make some money.